Hey folks, what a beautiful day it was across the valley today. Temperatures this afternoon warming into the 70s valley-wide. We're coming back down from that now, but still 74 in Rio Grande City, 69 McAllen and Weslaco, 71 Edinburgh, and then low to mid-60s in the eastern part of the valley, about 60 on the dot in Port Isabel at this hour. Look at the lows tonight. Back in the upper 40s again, some places in the low 50s. Watch out for some patchy fog late tonight, early tomorrow. Probably not widespread, but there will be some around, so keep that in mind for your morning commute. Maybe get up just a little earlier in case you have to add some time to your morning drive. And then tomorrow afternoon, sunshine takes over. Temperatures back in the upper 70s and low 80s. The western part of the valley going 80 plus. Eastern part of the valley staying in the 70s. Looks like another beautiful day across the area once again. Thursday looks just about as nice, albeit a bit windy on Thursday. And then the front comes through, and Friday's a bit cooler, but still pleasant. 68 for your high temperature across the valley on Friday. Now, satellite and radar today, pretty quiet, not much going on. Patchy high clouds show up now, but that's about it. And Future Track says it stays quiet most of the night. There's the fog. It burns off. Back to sunny and breezy conditions by tomorrow afternoon. It will be a rain-free day once again. Thursday, rain-free as well. Even with the front coming through, I think we stay dry. It turns windy behind the front. We're still warm on Thursday, but then the cooler air kind of sneaks in Thursday night and Friday. And Friday, even with bright sunshine, is a cooler day courtesy of that front. Temperatures, as you saw on Friday, probably topping out in the upper 60s rather than the upper 70s. So the front making about a 10-degree difference, but still, rain, we don't see any. We're dry, dry, dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Chance of rain does go up early next week. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour, but until then, we're just sunny and dry. Looks pretty nice. Chilly weather is built into northeast Texas. Dallas, Longview both at 48. Same thing up in Oklahoma City, but once you get southwest of that, temperatures are much more mild. 68 in Del Rio, 67 Laredo. San Antonio's at 64 degrees this evening. A lot of clouds in the eastern part of the state. That's part of the reason that cool air mass also kind of reaching down into here. Look off to the west. Big storm coming into the west coast. We've been hearing a lot about that. Same system will push the front eastward and eventually bring it into the valley. Not tomorrow. During the daytime on Thursday, that front slides through. It turns windy, and then the cooler weather builds in for late Thursday and Friday. Secondary push of cooler air comes in for the weekend, so the weekend looks cool as well. But again, by cool, you're talking about highs close to 70 with lows down into the 40s. Some places Sunday morning could drop as chilly as the upper 30s once again, but it's just down and right back up under mainly clear skies. We don't expect any precipitation with that at all. If you're headed to the coast in the morning, temperatures start there 71 early and then kind of hold steady in the mid-70s all day long. Southeasterly winds really warming things up nicely. Tomorrow evening, temperature about 67 degrees. Here are the tides. There are two. The first is a low tide at 4:24 in the morning. The other a high tide 1:15 in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So for tonight, skies stay clear. And it's cool, low about 49, but watch out for that patchy fog. Then tomorrow, sunny skies, a breezy afternoon, highs around 79 with the southeasterly wind picking up a little bit at 12 to 25. So a couple of days at 79, a windier day on Thursday. Then the cooler air builds in. We're only 68 on Friday after starting at 45. Saturday, cool, 41, 71 low and high. And then look at Sunday, 39 for a low, 68 for a high. And then the rain chances build in next week, and temperatures drop off once again by around Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.